to take a few minutes and walk you through how to set up a blog using WordPress. First, you want to go to wordpress.com. You're going to come to this screen right here and you're going to click on Get Started. Here it's going to ask you for all the information you're going to need to set up an account. First, you need to put in your email address. Once your email address in, it's going to auto-populate a username. You can always change this if you'd like to. And then it's going to ask you for your password. You want to put your password in. It's going to let you know whether your password is a good one or not. And this one is allowing me to use it. It gives me the green check. Next thing up, it says my blog address. So what it did right here is it just used my username and it added blog to it, and that's just fine with me. You can always change this if you'd like to, but I'm going to go ahead and stick with the Kelly A. Falcone blog and then .wordpress.com. If I would like to, it's telling me right here that the address kellyaFalconeblog.com is also available. However, I would have to purchase it. So for the class, you don't need to purchase it, but if you wanted to, that's great. But you don't need to. WordPress will host it for you. It just means that WordPress is going to be in the title. So from here, I know that I don't want to upgrade and I don't want to purchase the domain, so I'm just going to set up a free blog by hitting Create Blog. Oh, it's telling me that that username is not available, so I'm going to have to make a little adjustment to it. So let's see what happens if I add a number. Oh, I get the green check and Create Blog. So now it's letting me know that an email has been sent to activate my account. So I'm going to have to check my inbox in order to activate it. The WordPress site is now activated since I've gone to my email address and I went ahead and clicked Activate My Blog. Now I've come up with this screen right here. So it's giving me my blog title, which I can change. So maybe I don't want all of this here and I just want it to be my name. So I can go ahead and change my blog title if I'd like to. And then it has a tagline, a top-notch WordPress.com site. I could choose to keep that or I could change it. I'm going to go ahead and keep it. Then I'm going to click on Next Step. Now I get to choose a theme. You're going to notice that some of these are free, okay? And then some of them you have to actually pay for. I'm going to choose a free one. Now it says go ahead and create your very first post. So I need to decide what kind of post am I going to do? Text, photo, video, quote, link. I'm going to go ahead and do a text post. So my very first post, let's just say, hello world. And this is my very first blog post. Now I can decide if I want to add any tags to it, and I don't think I need to. And then I'm going to go ahead and publish the post. So this is what my blog looks like right now. So you see my title at the top with my name, and again that tagline, a top-notch WordPress.com site. And you see two posts that I've made. So I made one that was just hello world and another one that just says just checking it out and how's it going. So this is what my blog looks like right now. But I want to add some more stuff to it. So I need to go to the dashboard. So if I come up to the top of the website and I click where my name is, I'm going to go to dashboard. And the dashboard is where I can control everything with this site. I can control how it looks, and this is where I can also add content. So one thing I want to add is I want to add an actual page, a web page to it. So I'm going to go to the pages and I'm going to go to add new. And I want to add a page just to give people a little bit more information about me. So this is just going to be an about me page, and I'm just going to kind of give them a little idea, a little introduction. So I'm going to go ahead and post some words right here. So I just said, welcome to my blog. It's all new to me, but I'm excited for this technology adventure. And I can continue to add a little bit more of this, and maybe I want to add a picture. So if I want to add a picture to this, I'm going to go to where it says add media. Now I want to upload a picture. So what I need to do is find a picture and I'm going to drop it in here. So I'm actually going to drag a picture of my dog. So I'm going to share a picture of my dog, Oscar, and I can put a caption with it. So I'm just going to say my awesome dog, Oscar. And then I'm going to go ahead and say insert into page. And so this is just my little introduction and a picture of my dog, and I'm going to go ahead and publish this. Once you publish it, that means it's out there for the world to see. So I'm going to click on publish. Now let's go check out that site again. So now you're going to notice that I have two things up here in the menu. I have a home button, this is where my blog posts are, and then I have a page that just says about me. And this is where you're going to see a little introduction and then that picture that I just uploaded. But let's say I want to edit this page some more. I actually have the opportunity to edit it right here. So I would just click on edit. Here I can add more information if I'd like to add more information, maybe some links. So there's many different options right here. I can change the template, so I can go to a full width page, or I can do the default template. I can choose the visibility, whether I want it to be public or private. So there's many different things that I can do. But I think I'm going to go ahead and leave it. So from here, I can again go to that dashboard, and I can either add more pages, or I can check about what's going on with the comments, or I can even change the appearance. So I can change that theme, or I can customize the theme that I'm using. Over here on the right hand side, this is the customize, so I can change the colors, I can change the font, I can change the types or the site title. But I'm going to go ahead and cancel it. So that was just a quick introduction to how to set up your WordPress site. It's pretty simple. You just got to get started.